The main problem with this one is, one, it was absolutely filthy. You can see how dirty it is in here still, for instance, compared to up here where it's been cleaned. There's really red underneath there that doesn't really show. This side's unclean and this side's clean, for example. And the other problem with this one is that it has all these little fancy bits, but a lot of them were broken off. So we had to find a place where they're intact, make a mold from that, and then we could make replacement pieces out of epoxy. Then I'm putting the replacement pieces on, then we're going to in-paint them so that they look like the rest of it. These things go up over the glass doors. And I was missing one entirely, and this one was loose, so we took this one off and we used it to produce a rubber mold. And then I made a replacement part in that rubber mold. Now I have to paint this one to match this one, and then I can put them both back on. Actually, it's a silicone molding material that's made, I'm told, mainly for the movie industry. They make face masks and stuff out of it. But it's really great because it's easy to mix, and it sets up in just about 5 minutes. So if you have to mold a vertical surface, for instance, it stays there, it doesn't drip off. So you can just make it up, slap it on there, and then peel it off. So I had to make, I think, 8 different molds to get all the pieces we needed, and there are about 30 pieces missing here. So I've now got all the replacement pieces glued on there. Now I have to go around and tidy up the joints a little bit, and then I'm going to in-paint them so that they match. Now this is a flex shaft tool. I was using this to get the final shape on these epoxy pieces. So after I adhered them on there, I could go over it just like that, and I can just work it down, kind of like your dentist does on your teeth.